morning students. Today we are going to learn the one words in lesson The Magical Universe. The first heading, fill in the blanks. The first one, our solar system is a part of the Dash galaxy. Our solar system is a part of the Dash galaxy. It is Milky Way galaxy. Second one, all planets revolve around the sun in a fixed paths known as Dash. All planets revolve around the sun in fixed paths known as orbits. Third one, the Dash is the largest planet in our solar system. Dash is the largest planet in our solar system. It is Jupiter. Fourth one, apart from the 8 planets, there are other Dash that orbit the sun. So apart from the 8 planets, there are other celestial bodies that orbit the sun. Fifth one, Dash was the first and the largest asteroids to be discovered in 1801. Dash was the first and the largest asteroids to be discovered in the year 1801. The answer is Ceres. Sixth one, the sun is the brightest dash which is closest to the earth. The sun is the brightest star which is closest to the earth. Seventh one, the dash revolves around the earth. The dash revolves around the earth. It's moon. The moon revolves around the earth. Eighth one, a group of stars that form a shape is known as dash. A group of stars that form a shape in the sky is known as constellation. Ninth one, the dash move around the sun in different objects. Dash move around the sun in different orbits, not objects, orbits, that is planets. The planets move around the sun in different orbits. The 10th one, Dash was the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. Dash was the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. It is Kalpana Chawla. The next heading, right, true or false. The first one, Earth has 67 satellites. Is the statement is right? Earth has 67 satellites. The answer is false because Earth has only one moon. Second one, Venus is a very hot planet. Venus is a very hot planet. The answer is true. Third one, Saturn is the third largest planet in the solar system. Saturn is the third largest planet in the solar system. The answer is false because it is the second largest planet in the solar system. Fourth one, when a comet moves towards the sun, it heats up and begins to melt. When a comet moves towards the sun, it heats up and begins to melt. The answer is true. Fifth one, Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet. Yes. The next heading, match the following. The first, so column A, I have given Venus, Sun, Moon, Pluto and Mars. And in column B, natural satellite of the Earth, red planet, dwarf planet, brightest planet, closest star to Earth. Let's see the answer. Venus, it is the brightest planet in our solar system. Sun, closest stars to Earth. Moon, natural satellite of the Earth. Pluto, which is also called as dwarf planet. Mars, which is also called as red planet. So once again, I just repeat the answer. Venus, it is the brightest planet. Sun, closest star to Earth. Moon, natural satellite of the Earth. Pluto, it's a dwarf planet. Mars, it's a red planet. The next heading, name the following. The first one, name the second largest planet in our solar system. Name the second largest planet in our solar system. The answer, Saturn. So Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. Second one, name the other name of Venus. The other name of Venus is morning star or evening star. Third one, name the planet that has two sets of rings. Name the planet that has two sets of rings. The answer is Uranus. So Uranus has two sets of rings. Fourth one, name the other name of Earth. Name the other name of Earth. The answer is blue planet. So blue planet is also called as Earth. Fifth one, name two dwarf planets. Name two Name the two dwarf planets. Answer, Pluto and Eris. So once again I just repeat. Name the second largest planet in our solar system. It is Saturn. Name the other name of Venus. It's morning star or evening star. Third one, name the planet has two sets of rings. It is Uranus. Fourth one, name the other name of Earth. It is blue planet. Last one, name the two dwarf planets. So Pluto and Eris. The next heading. Who am I? The first one, several parts combined to produce something. Several parts combined to produce something is also called as components. Second one, identified with noticeable qualities. Identified with noticeable qualities is also called as characterized. Third one, a force that is attracted towards the center of the earth. A force that is attracted towards the center of the earth is also called as gravity. So once again I just repeat. Several parts combined to produce something is called components. Identified with noticeable qualities is also called as characterized. Third one, a force that is attracted towards the center of the earth is called as gravity. So these are the one words of this lesson. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Thank you.